Okay, here's the Protron Protron flat screen TV that had the crackling sound. And I went in the back and took this drill, and this hole I found nothing, and I drilled here and here to find the speaker wires, and you drill unless you got something to cut with, and then you hit a screwdriver and pry it open, grab with pliers and break the piece of plastic off in the back of the TV set, and you reach in with wire cutters and grab the speaker wires and cut them there. You can still see them here, they're black and white on this side. Cut them there, and that kills the speakers, thus killing crackling sound. So now I've got my monitor back. Good luck all.